You need to like and subscribe to stay up to date for all of ACPW's action. Don't miss ACPW's second internet pay-per-view, The New Era. This is only for $5. Matches include Mike Goldstein versus Ty Reno, Ian Short versus Jay Savage.
The new era begins with me.
The new era begins and ends with me.
The new era is massive.
The new era of ACPW.
The new era.
The new era.
The new era.
The new era.
The new era. The new era.
The new era begins with me.
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 Me. Me. Me.
Me. It's with me.
Me. Me.
The new era is savage. Ah!
It begins with us. Stop, man. Come on, man.
You're up here. We need you down here.
Come on, man.
We have two hard-hitting matches for you. The first match, it's a clash of the Titans. We have the return of Rich Steve versus Cadillac Black.
Go check him out! Better check him! Hurry up! Let's go! Time is my money! Time is my money! Money? Ring the bell! Broke ass. Oh, you go broke ass! Broke ass! Call me a broke ass! That's what I thought. Who the hell you with? Come on, Cadillac! Papa's in the ring. I am stronger than you! I am stronger than you! Mad? You mad? You mad enough? Let's do this again!
Welcome back. Great match. Where you been? What's been going on?
Where have I been? I've been looking to see where you would get a suit like this. A person like Rich Steve would never be caught dead wearing that.
Fashion. What can I say?
Fashion, what can you say? You can say, Steve, how long until you are the ACPW champion? You put some greenhorn in with me? Do you know who I am? Do you know what I've done in this company? There would be no Marty without Steve. So, what can you ask me is how long until you take over ACPW? I'm done.
NXZN's undefeated streak could be in jeopardy tonight when he faces Marty Emrick.
If anything, it looks like the same guy's fighting himself in different time zones. Oh, that is.
Alright, you ready? You ready? Ring the bell! Welcome, Marty!
Ready?
Rip it off! Break his arm! That's the end of that note! All you got? All you got?
I think you're good at this, huh?
Been around the block sometimes? Come on, get him out of the corner. Come on, break it. 1, 2, 3. Alright, break it. Come on, get him out of the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, so fast.
He's already dead. Gotta get him out of the corner. Come on! 1, 2, 3, 4.
And he ain't coming back to rush hour.
I hit 5, you're out of here.
You're right.
Break his leg.
Some things
Put him up.
give up, or are you thirsty for more? Shut the hell up, huh? You came out here to watch me, and now you're talking trash. I didn't get to 3-0 by listening to you pieces of garbage. Especially not
this was just open.
And his back feels great now. 1, 2, 3.
Talk all that trash. Come on, get up.
There you go. Kicked in your chest.
Wow. What a fight. I mean, I know you got DQ'd. You're 3-0 now. What's going on? Let's break it down.
Well, firstly, I need to correct something that you said. My name is not Nixon. It is NXZN. Now, about today. You see,
Who cares who you are? It's all about me.
What?
It's always been about me.
No. It's about me.
No, it's about me.
No, it's about me.
No, it's about me.
You know what? I like your style.
Two dangerous guys that probably shouldn't like each other.